Christmas, today, for Jet 1398, I'm going to review the Doctor Who Sonic Screwdriver and Sonic Pen set. This packaging is quite interesting because it's different than the other ones, because it's like blue this time, so yeah. So first, I'll go over the packaging. The packaging is blue, obviously. These square designs in the 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver and Sonic Pen set, and they're displayed nicely. The batteries were already in it when I got it, so I don't know. Big Doctor Who, looks like the one from the movie. And stars, really nicely detailed packaging. The back is pretty typical, all this stuff. So yeah, that's it for the packaging. Now I'm gonna take it out and show you what functions, features, everything like that. So. Okay, so when you open this up, you just push it, out comes here in case you need to change it, which is convenient. And you can just put that back on. Sorry, I don't have a tripod, so one hand. Difficult. Okay. So for the pen, you twist it. Is this the wrong way? No, this way to the left, and the pen comes out. The pen actually writes, which is cool. So there's a pen, you just twist it back to get rid of it to the right. Now, actually, pretty much, which is sort of interesting, which I've noticed, the sonic screwdriver itself is, so it pretty much unscrews off the top in case you need to change the batteries, which obviously you know how. It uses the smaller batteries, as seen in some of the little ones that come with, like, the Vortex Manipulator or the Journal of Impossible Things. Yeah. So anyway, that's pretty much it for the Sonic Pen. It's really nicely detailed, I have to say, though. The only thing that's not accurate is that on the top, if you've seen on the show, this part wasn't even a top, it was just like a hole, sort of, with the light coming out, so that's not accurate completely. This one, obviously, you know it's not accurate because the button's on the slider in the actual show. So, then, okay, now, pretty much I'll just tell you what I think of this. Overall, I like this because it's really nicely detailed, it makes good sounds, work perfectly for, like, roleplay or cosplay, and, for the set, it's actually quite a decent price. It was only like $30. Which is good for the Christmas season, because today's Christmas, and, besides that, there's nothing to it, I guess, because you pretty much know how it works, you've seen it. Prices, battery changes, not hard. So, yeah, this is a great set. I would recommend you get it for any age, collector, or kid, because also, if you're collecting, it's got this nice open section to show it off. So, yeah. And Merry Christmas. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.